In this user guide, we'll use the event listing designer within BoxOffice24 to add a new event listing with a seating plan. We begin in your account by selecting the event settings menu and choosing the add a new event listing menu option. We'll be adding details of the event, venue, date, ticket allocation including your seating plan, sections and price categories associated with the event. We begin on the left and work right, so we add new event details. We enter details of our event. We'll call this sample event seated. We can add a description along with a category for the event. And we save changes. Next up, we need to provide information about the venue where the event is being held, so we click Add New Venue. We begin by typing in the name of the venue. If the venue is already in the system, it'll auto-complete the venue's address and contact details as well as location map. If this is the first time you're entering the venue, enter all the details and it will be available to you in future. And we click Save Changes. We then add one or more dates for our event, so we click Add New Date and we can select our date for the event along with the doors open times and the start time. You can also specify here when ticket sales should start and stop for this event, and we click Save Changes. We then add a new ticket allocation where we will specify a seating plan. We'll use the seating plan that we used in the previous user guide, BoxOffice24 Theatre, and click Save Changes to apply that seating plan template to our current event. That automatically populates the sections from the seating plan, so it just remains for us to add price categories to each of those sections. So we'll call this price category All Tickets, $12.50, and we'll click Save Changes. And we'll add a price category for the balcony, and again click Save Changes. And we've completed our event. If the event were to run over more than one date, we can simply make a copy of the original date and then we can modify that date to the new date, and we now have two dates for our event at this venue. That can be repeated for any number of dates. When you're completed, you simply click Activate Event, which brings up a summary of the event listing and links to the event, and we click Close, which takes us back to the account page, and we can see that the event has been added to our account.